Hey guys, welcome back to Morganic Essentials. I'm Morgan, and today we're actually making one of my favorite sides from Taco Bell, which is the cheesy Fiesta Potatoes. Yay! This one's great because it's super easy and there's only a few ingredients. So obviously you have your potatoes. Instead of sour cream, we're swapping that for plain Greek yogurt for a little added protein. Guys, it's hard to find a clean cheese sauce that's gonna taste like a dupe, you know, as close to it. I would say get one from the refrigerated section if you are gonna get one, or make it from scratch on your own. But also let's talk about the spices, okay? Because these are anti-inflammatory spices. All right, let's jump into it. We've got our potatoes. I diced these potatoes. I went ahead and boiled them for just 5 to 10 minutes, but it's gonna help it be extra crispy when we pop them in the oven. So you wanna just take a paper towel and get some of that extra moisture off, okay? And so from there, avocado oil. So I'm gonna spray these down so that the seasonings stick a little better. And we are going to season. Okay, you can't use too much. So I'm just gonna go down the line. So here we've got some onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, just for a little kick. Not too much. Smoked paprika. Woo! It's a little smoky flavor. We've got chili powder. I feel like they use a lot of this, and it gives it that nice color. And honestly, season it as much as you want. A little bit of ground turmeric. Turmeric is great. It is anti-inflammatory, especially with black pepper when you combine those. We've got our oregano. Okay. We've got our sea salt. And we've got our cracked black pepper. I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. We wanna make sure it has color on it. So if you're looking at it and it doesn't have that like nice orangish reddish color, if you pop it in your oven or your air fryer and it doesn't have that color on it, it's not gonna come out with the color on it. So you wanna season it enough before you put it in the heat, okay? So to give it a little extra crisp, we are gonna add some flour, just to kind of dust it. Probably don't even need all this that's in here. And a little bit of cornstarch, okay? And we're gonna get this nice and mixed and add a little more avocado oil. We'll also look at it, see if we wanna add any more seasoning. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit more chili powder, give it a little more color. Yeah. A little more oregano. A little more onion powder, just a little bit. A little paprika, a tad bit more salt, turmeric, and black pepper. So almost a little bit of everything. I didn't add any more garlic powder. I think we had enough of that, but oh, what the hell? I might add a little garlic pepper, a little more garlic powder too. Okay. All right, now we're going to stir this up. Once again, that's looking good. It smells good. Preheat our air fryer to 400. If you're using your oven, I would say 425 to 450, but we're gonna use an air fryer and it won't take that long. Go at least 20 minutes and then we'll check on it and see if we need a little longer. So, all right, guys, so we have our potatoes and they are done. Look at this color, it's perfect. A little bit of a crispy edges, but they're not like super, super crispy. It's just got like the seasoning coating, crispy edges, very well seasoned. From here, we're going to do our taste test. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some potatoes to the bowl. Fiesta potatoes. I'm just do a little bit because we're just doing a taste test. All right, and then next thing they do, they add a little bit of nacho cheese to theirs. Low-fat sour cream at Taco Bell. That's what they use, but we are doing plain Greek yogurt for a little more protein. Basically, that's it. It's literally 3 ingredients: the potatoes, the nacho cheese, and the sour cream. So we're gonna do a taste test, see if it tastes like it. Let me get a bite with a little bit of everything. Mm-hmm. I'm not even, like, this tastes just like it. I promise you, if you do the potatoes just like that, you have some cheese sauce, cheese dip, and you've got your sour cream or Greek yogurt, it literally tastes just like it. So definitely make this at home, and you can make it in bulk rather than going to Taco Bell and paying for all those little bitty cups, you know? I will say, making this at home, now you can customize and add whatever it is you want to it, okay? No extra add-on cost or anything. So what I would do, first of all, Taco Bell sells their sauce. If you want Taco Bell sauce, you can add their sauce to it, or you can add whatever hot sauce you like if you want. I personally would add some shredded cheese for more protein, and I like cheese, and a fried egg. I would add a little shredded lettuce, okay? And then I would also add, yeah, some hot sauce, maybe a little avocado. That would be really good. So this is the Fiesta Potatoes Taco Bell dupe. So this was my modification, and we are going to dig in and taste it. It's kind of like a little breakfast Fiesta Potatoes. If I didn't just get my wisdom teeth taken out a week ago, I'd add bacon to this and start making this for breakfast all the time. This is so freaking good. Guys, thanks for watching. Try this at home. Comment below. Let me know if you think this tastes like Taco Bell Fiesta Potatoes. To me, it tastes exactly like it, and I know because it is my favorite thing, one of my favorite things from Taco Bell, and I've had it many times. So comment below, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Check out one of our other videos up here or up here, and be well and eat well. See you next time.